English Speaking 360, your conversation coach, presents easy tips to improve your English. Today we are on tip number 3 and we will learn the best conversation topic. Let's go. What is the best conversation topic? Do you know? Take a chance. It is the weekend. Of course it is the weekend, but why is the weekend the best conversation topic? Because people do fun things on the weekend. People make plans for the weekend. People are excited about the weekend. And people love talking about their weekend. But there is one more reason. The other reason is you can use the weekend as a conversation topic every single day of the week. I will show you how. Let's go. Now, how to ask about someone's weekend. Here you go. It depends on the day of the week. So this is important, okay? Listen carefully. It depends on the day of the week. So if it's on a Monday or a Tuesday, what do you ask? You ask, did you have a good weekend? Good, because the weekend is already past. Monday or Tuesday, the weekend is in the past, so that's why we use, did you have a good weekend? On Wednesday is a little bit difficult. Wednesday, we say, how's your week so far? How's your week so far means your week until now. How is it? Is it a good week or is it a bad week? That is what it means. But maybe you ask me, teacher, why don't we talk about the weekend on a Wednesday? Because the reason is simple. On a Wednesday, if you ask someone, did you have a good weekend? Maybe they don't remember because it's too far in the past. Okay? So that's why we don't use, did you have a good weekend on a Wednesday? Okay? Good. Now, on a Thursday or Friday, what do we ask? Do we ask, did you have a good weekend? No, we don't ask that. We ask, do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any good ideas of what to do for the weekend? And that is on Thursday and Friday because most people make plans for the weekend on a Thursday or a Friday. But, hey, don't ask this question on a Wednesday because probably the person will say, I don't know yet because it's too far in advance, okay? But on a Thursday and Friday, do you have any plans for the weekend? Excellent. Now, on a Saturday, listen carefully now. Saturday morning, in the morning, you see that's why I write AM here. Do you have plans for the weekend? Same thing, right? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Because in the morning, the weekend is just starting. So you can still say, do you have any plans for the weekend? Okay? But Saturday afternoon, you cannot use this. Saturday afternoon, usually people say, how's your weekend so far? How's your week so far? How's your weekend so far? It means until now, your weekend, how is it? Is it a good weekend or is it a bad weekend? Because we are already on Saturday afternoon. And on Sunday morning, we also ask the same question. How's your weekend so far on Sunday morning? Okay? Good, because we are in the middle of the weekend. But on Sunday afternoon, what do we ask? On Sunday afternoon, usually we ask, did you have a good weekend? Because Sunday afternoon, the weekend is almost over. So that's why we ask, did you have a good weekend? Good? Now, let's practice. Let's go together. So imagine today is Monday. Okay, so in your mind, oh, okay, today's Monday. So look back at this, right? You see it, okay, today's Monday, you're okay, let's go. Okay, today's Monday. So your friend says, hi, how's it going? Good, how about you? You say that, right? Great. What do you say now? Go. You should say, did you have a good weekend? Because today's Monday. So did you have a good weekend on a Monday? Great. Let's go one more time. But now today is Friday. Imagine today's Friday. Let's go. Hi, how are you doing? Not bad. What did you say? Did you say, do you have any plans for the weekend? This is the best answer on a Friday. Good. Now a difficult one. Today is Saturday at 4 p.m. Be careful. Today's Saturday, 4 p.m. Hi, what's up? Same old. What do you say on Saturday at 4 p.m.? You say, how's your weekend so far? Okay, until now, how was your weekend? Good job, guys. So this is the summary one more time. Remember, it always depends on the day of the week, but the topic is always the same. The weekend is the best conversation topic. Good job, guys. Hey, don't forget to follow us, English Speaking 360. Like us, share our videos, and subscribe, of course, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.